Bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
Dumating na po ang bagong Pilipinas.
Hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Anong konteksto?
konteksto
Nasasabi
mo?
ko lang.
Pag umaresto ka ng tao, pag inaresto ka ng pulis, pwedeng hindi dala ng pulis ang warrant mo? Pwede. Sasabihin lang ng pulis kayo, oy, arestado ka, may warrant ka. Nasaan ang warrant? Doon sa istasyon, halika na. That's perfectly legal.
Hindi dapat tinitignan ng isang drug user as masama, kundi biktima sila. Kasi meron ding economic side. Gusto mong mag-extend ng iyong working hours. Take a case in point, yung ating mga konduktor, yung mga driver na nahuhuli po na pag nag-positive sa drugs, ang reason nila kasi grabe yung biyahe, kailangan nilang manatiling gising.
Nasa 45 pesos kada kilo ang maximum suggested retail price or MSRP ng imported rice kasunod ng patuloy na pagbaba ng global rice prices. Ayon sa Department of Agriculture, simula nang ipatupad ang MSRP nitong Enero, 19 pesos na ang kabuuang ibinaba ng presyo ng bigas.
You can answer. Hindi to yes or no. So to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial doctor. I think we have complied with 7438, sir.
Okay. It doesn't say here substantial. It
We have
says
complied with
here...
7438, sir.
No, sir. Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice. Hindi nyo choice. Hindi nyo choice i-limit yung doctors niya. Ang sabi nyo, substantial. So, I will clarify. Were there doctors that he requested you did not allow in? Yes
I was
or
not
no?
aware of that, sir.
Okay. You're not aware kung meron pinapasok o wala.
Kung meron siyang ibang
Okay.
additional doctor,
But
sir.
I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hindi ba siya anak? Ang nakalagay dito, the person's immediate family shall include his or her spouse, fiancé, parent or child, brother, sister, grandparent, grandchild, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, etc. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon ata na kulong. Sir, you prevented VP Sara from entering.
At dahil nung first hearing natin, sir, ay palagay ko na explain na lahat yan, sir. At nagkaroon ng napakaraming mga...
Nung first hearing, sir, ang pinag-usapan kasi doon na lawyer. Ako, upon looking at the Constitution, kaming mga senador, we cannot appear before the court, but we can practice. Pero ang presidente, vice president cannot practice. So, kasama na ako doon at yung ibang nagsabing abogada. Pero, nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them from visiting. And nakita ko yung video, but sabi nyo nga, may kompleto kayong video, that's why I'm asking you, baka naman pinapasok nyo nang hindi ko alam. Sabi mo, 2 stars, sir, ako na. Ako nagdesisyon nito, sir. I don't know if you use the word ako mananagot. So, simple lang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father? Yes or no?
Can I expound on this, sir, before I answer the yes,
Yes,
or no?
go ahead.
Sir? Thank you, sir. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat, sir, na ma-expound yan, sir. Dahil after the first hearing, medyo marami-rami ang lumabas, sir, ng mga misinformation regarding that matter, sir. Yes, sir, I did prevent I did deny the request of President Duterte for him to allow VP Sara to enter, sir. Kasi nga naman, sir, mag-alas 10 na yun, sir. And that is already around 12 hours after we first got him into custody. The VP has all the chances to be with the President earlier that day. We are expecting her. Actually, sir, mga alas 3 pa lang, may information na darating siya. And kung gusto talaga nilang pumasok, sir, pwede naman, sir, eh. Kasi
Hinadangan mo nga eh. Diba?
ma'am, sinundo ma'am sa loob ng Villamor.
Sinabi nga ninyo na hinarang, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Ito,
kasi
mama,
gabi na, matagal na.
I did, ma'am, I did really prevent that from the VP. I told the President that she can visit her on the detention cell in Hague. Sabi ko kung gusto niya talaga. Pero
Sabi
Kasi
mo
nga naman,
makapasok, pero
ma'am,
sa kabilang
sandali, ma'am.
dako sinabi mo you prevented
let
her.
me,
Alin ba talaga?
Let me clarify, ma'am. Hindi pa ako tapos, ma'am, eh.
Hindi. Iba-iba
Okay,
lang
ah.
yung sinasabi mo eh.
Ma'am, patapusin niyo ako kung pwede. Nakapasok at sinundo sila, sir. Ang eroplano nasa bukas pang pintuan, sir. So, yan, sir, ang isang ito ba yung balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, naku, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na. Kasi sinusundo na, sir, si Hanelet at saka si Kitty, sir, ng kanilang mga sasakyan, together with the other entourage. Bakit nila sumabay dun, sir, sa tarmac? Bukas pa naman, sir, ang pintuan.
Alam mo, Madam Chair,
Sir.
Nick,
Sir.
you
That's a new
ibig mong
information,
sabihin
sir.
kung pwede pumasok yung si Ma'am Hanilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the president, the former president. 12 hours na ang nakalipas at tapos na ang lahat ng mga delaying tactics.
Nick,
Kaya
Situation,
expire
sir.
pala yung karapatan ng akusado.
May expiration date pala yung karapatan ng anak na bumisita sa kanyang tatay.
Sir, we do believe, ako, sir, personally, that's my call at that time because I'm operating on the premise
So,
ng
so it's your
aking
call.
mission.
So it's your call to
Yes,
violate
sir.
the law.
Yes.
It's your call to violate the law. Dahil nakalagay sa batas, binasa ni Senator Alan Cayetano na bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So it's your call to violate the law.
Hindi sa ganong context, sir.
Oo.
Anong konteksto?
Anong konteksto
Nasasabi
mo?
ko lang talagang